Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Perplexity AI, a platform that's gaining a lot of buzz for its innovative approach to online search and information retrieval. Whether you're a researcher, a student, or just someone who loves exploring new tech, this video will cover everything you need to know about Perplexity AI, from its features to its pricing, pros and cons, and ultimately whether it deserves the title of the best AI search engine in 2025. Stick around to the end as you'll know if Perplexity AI isn't quite the right fit for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what Perplexity AI is and what sets it apart. Perplexity AI is an advanced AI-powered search engine designed to provide precise and contextually relevant answers to your queries. Unlike traditional search engines that offer a long list of blue links, Perplexity AI delivers direct, conversational responses backed by reliable sources. Essentially, it's like having a knowledgeable assistant at your fingertips. The platform leverages natural language processing and machine learning to understand the intent behind your questions, ensuring the results are not only accurate but also highly relevant. Its sleek and user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to dive right in, whether you're conducting in-depth research or just looking for quick answers. Perplexity AI is particularly popular among professionals and academics who value trustworthy and well-cited information. Its ability to provide source links alongside its answers adds an extra layer of credibility that sets it apart from many other AI tools. Plus, with features like follow-up questions and conversational search, it's designed to mimic the natural back and forth you'd have with a human expert. Now let us talk about the main features of Perplexity AI. Here are some standout features that make Perplexity AI such an intriguing platform. Conversational search. Perplexity AI transforms the search experience by allowing users to ask follow-up questions naturally. It retains context from previous queries, making it easy to refine or expand your search without starting over. Cited sources. Every answer provided by Perplexity AI includes links to its sources, ensuring transparency and allowing users to verify the information themselves. User-friendly interface. The platform's minimalistic design ensures an intuitive experience for both tech-savvy users and beginners. The focus is always on delivering clear and concise results. Cross-domain expertise. Whether your query involves science, technology, history, or pop culture, Perplexity AI can handle it. Its training spans diverse topics, making it a versatile tool for any type of inquiry. Real-time updates. Unlike static databases, Perplexity AI continuously updates its knowledge base, ensuring that the information it provides is up-to-date and relevant. Accessibility across devices. Perplexity AI is accessible through its website and optimized for both desktop and mobile devices, so you can use it on the go. Now let us talk about the pricing. At this time of the review, it is believed that Perplexity AI offers a mix of free and premium plans. The free plan includes essential features, making it accessible for casual users, and for those who need advanced capabilities such as priority access to new features, extended query limits, or enhanced customization, the platform offers a paid subscription. You can get more pricing details when you continue with an account, either you sign in with an existing account or you create an account. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Perplexity AI. First, we talk the pros. Accurate and reliable answers. The inclusion of cited sources ensures credibility. Conversational capabilities. Follow-up queries make the search experience seamless and dynamic. Ease of use. The interface is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Versatility. It is suitable for a wide range of topics and users. How about the cons? There are limited advanced features in the free plan. Some premium features like advanced customization require a paid subscription. Dependence on internet connectivity. Like most AI tools, it requires a stable internet connection to function effectively. Potential learning curve. New users might need time to fully understand and utilize the platform's capabilities. So, is Perplexity AI going to be the best AI search engine in 2025? Well, I'd say the answer depends on your needs. For those seeking a tool that combines precision, reliability, and ease of use, Perplexity AI is undoubtedly a top contender. Its ability to provide conversational, source-backed answers make it an invaluable resource for professionals, students, and everyday users alike. The platform's commitment to transparency and real-time updates ensures it remains relevant and trustworthy in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. However, like any tool, it's not without its limitations. Users requiring extensive customization or those unwilling to pay for premium features might find themselves exploring alternatives. That said, Perplexity AI's free plan offers plenty of value, making it an excellent starting point for anyone curious about AI-powered search. So in short, Perplexity AI strikes a remarkable balance between innovation and practicality, earning its place as one of the most promising AI search engines of the year. Well, if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore ChatGPT, Niva, and Elicit. That wraps up our review of Perplexity AI. I hope this video helped you understand what makes this platform stand out and whether it's the right fit for your needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.